following directions apply to wood and metal posts. With the fitting already installed at one end of the cable, pull the cable alongside the hole where the receiver will be installed. Mark the cable at the center point of the hole. From the mark, measure an additional 1 inch if you're using 1/8 or 3/16 inch cable, or 1 1/4 inches if you're using a larger diameter cable. Cut the cable at the second mark. Swedge the threaded stud onto the cable. See the instructions for swedging studs if this is the first time you've swedged our fittings onto cable. Grip the cable with cable gripping pliers approximately 1/8 inch from the stud. Turn the receiver onto the threads of the stud a few turns. Then bend the cable by hand to the approximate angle desired. Remove the receiver. Put the washer onto the receiver and slide the receiver into the hole from the back side of the post. Slip the threaded end of the stud into the receiver and turn the receiver onto the threads of the stud with a hex wrench. Tighten the cable by gripping the cable with cable gripping pliers and turning the receiver with a hex wrench until the cable is tight.